Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to restore the Nokia 2690. You can see its current state. This was a salvage from a phone hunt. Let's be serious, it's miserable. Let's see if I can save it. That was a huge chunk that snapped and flew right off. Unbelievably still has this little rubber door, which is a miracle. Oh no. Ooh. This body shell is falling apart. Oh boy. Disk. See? Well, time to get cleaning, but before that let me just show you the parts. Well, I'll get to cleaning and be right back. Ah, boy, it was a lot of cleaning to do, and this main board had problems here. It actually has with the connectors to the battery. This one is snapped, but it should work. So let's see what will happen. It was already snapped. When I moved it, it just fell off. So yeah, it should work as it is. If it doesn't, I'll have to make it forcefully. Well, this is one easy phone to do. Oh wait, yeah, I have to fix this in place here. There we go. These parts are all original. Well, moment of truth. I'm pretty confident, so... Oh. Now, let's look at it. Look at this beauty. Well, what do you know? Oh, so loud. Nice. $688. Well, I knew that this phone was either very much used and then tossed away, which is the case, or it got stepped on or something, and that's why it got where it got, and with little talk towers. But yeah, nice. This was the refurbished video of the Nokia 2690. It's a pretty cool phone. I like it. By the way, here's how the body shell, the old one, looks like. So, tell me your thoughts about this phone. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, leave a like please. Also, subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and it's free. And thank you so much for doing so. And I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Yeah, to the showcase with it. Bye bye.